again. It's a Rhinestones.
Welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. So I have got Varnail December box. This is not the Christmas box, this is the December monthly box. So excited for this. So I'm going to get straight into it. They're always very nicely packaged. So quick sneak peek, and then I'm going to move it off like always. Oh wow, got stamping plates. Right, so we've got your solid gel polish instruction booklet. We don't need to see that. Right, shall I start with stickers? I always start with stickers. These are very nice. Let me bring you down a touch now. These are very nice. I like these. Plain, simple, white, and we've got everything on there. Love these little tiny stars. Holly leaves, bells. Oh, I'm not going to go through them all. There's loads on there. Everything. Very pretty. Oh, look at these. This is like a granddad winter jumper, isn't it? I've done a set of nails like these in the past. Cute. Oh, these are pretty. I love these that have got the gold flicks through them. And I like this with the little gold dots. They're very pretty. We've got ombre ones. Very cute. I do like them. Oh, what are these? Oh, so these are like just round things. I wonder if you could turn these into baubles. Little round faded out kind of stickers. And then we've got little snowflakes on the bottom. Yeah, they're a bit difficult to see them. You could turn them into baubles if you put some clear gel over the top. I like them. Right, let's get on with this because I've got a feeling it's going to be a long one. Right, we've got a couple of stamping plates. So again, this has got a little bit of everything. The baubles, snowflakes, Santa hat, bells. I like this little cute reindeer. Loads of different shaped snowflakes on there. We've got little holly leaves. I like them. Merry Christmas. Little stocking. Every single shaped snowflake you would ever need on there. I like that. And this one. Well, this is good if you want to do candy cane nails and you're not so good at straight lines. I love these little candy canes, teeny tiny ones. Very nice. We've got the reindeer antlers. I like these. Very cute. That's a nice little plate. Good little penguin. Aww. I like them. They're very nice. Right, what is this? Right, I can tell by looking at this, this is reflective. Don't think I can get into it. Let me just show you it. Look at this. Look how reflective this is. Wow. That would be beautiful to sprinkle onto snowflakes and have super reflective snowflakes. You could put this into a clear gel, clear base coat and make your own reflective glitter because it's ultra fine. Make your own reflective gel, I mean, because it is that fine. Yeah, you could use that to make your own little reflective gel. Super reflective. Love that. So shall we go on to sparkly things? Right, we've got a little pot to start with. Let's tip it out. Gosh, there's all sorts in here. Look at these teeny tiny gold snowflakes. What have we got? We've got loads of little tiny pearls. Teeny tiny little pointy back rhinestones. Tiny ones. Oh, we've got charms in here. Oh, we've got a little bow. Stars. More snowflakes. What's this one? Is that another bow? So there's a couple of bows in there. Oh, quite a few bows. Balls and snowflakes and stars and pearls and rhinestones. Very cute. I like it. That's a very cute little pot of goodies, isn't it? So, let's see what else we got. Oh my gosh, guys, look at all these. Varnail always have the most beautiful rhinestones. Oh, I'm going to have to tip some of these out so you can see them. Wow, look at these. So sparkly. Varnail, charms and rhinestones are always just the best quality. So sparkly. These are slightly curved as well. Slightly curved. Beautiful them, aren't they? Very pretty. Then we've got these teeny tiny little snowflakes. These are cute. The snowflakes are kind of textured with just one rhinestone in the middle. They're really small as well. That's them up against my pinky. Very cute. Again, I've not seen them before. Oh, I'll have to get these out. These look very posh. Oh, these are danglies. Oh. Oh, wow. I don't know if it's going to pick it up. These bells have got like an AB colour shift. Like an aurora. If I take them out of focus, you can just see little glimpses of it. The bells are kind of aurora colour shifting. Yeah, these bells have got a little kind of aurora colour shift. The camera's struggling to pick it up, but again, I've not seen them before. Beautiful. Right, then we have got, oh, so these, they're not pointy back, but they've got that kind of slightly pointy back. These are AB, but they're a kind of pale blue. Very pale blue kind of AB. Oh, wow, these are stunning. Snowflakes. They are stunning, aren't they? Beautiful, beautiful. They've got that many little facets on them. The sparkle is beautiful. Look at them. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh my gosh, we've got even bigger ones. So these are the same, but even bigger. Look. Oh, wow. They're even more sparkly because they're bigger. They've got more facets. Look at the sparkle on these. Yeah, they've got a slight little blue colour to them, haven't they? Oh, they're stunning. Right, and lastly, we've got a little mixed bag. Let's have a look at these. Guys, look at the size of these, look. Teeny tiny little gingerbread men. Aren't they cute? I don't know what this is about. We've got a random fish, but these are cute. We've got little mitts, little booties, little snowflakes, and these are all curved on the back. Teeny tiny little reindeer. Look at the tip of my pinky, how small that is. And this teeny tiny little tree. So this would fit on little natural nails. The snowflakes would fit on little natural nails. Teeny tiny little candy canes. These are tiny, teeny tiny little things. Adorable. So cute. I love these. I've never seen these gingerbread men. Very nice. I really like them. Right, what else have we got? Oh, do you know what? I don't know if any of you have seen my last Temu haul. I got a load of charms with the rhinestones missing, and I need some of these teeny tiny little charms to fix some of them. So that's perfect. These are cool. So we've got 6 different sizes of all little pointy backs. These are brilliant for making little clusters. Pointy backs are fantastic for doing little clusters. Yeah, I need these teeny tiny little things to make some little charms that I've got. Perfect timing. I do like these. All different colours. Right, then we have got... Oh, I've already got one of these. Let's have a look. This is dip powder recycling system, but a lot of people use them for glitter. Oh, it comes with a little funnel. I'm not sure what that's for. Oh, I get it. So if you're funneling it into a little pot, you can pour it like that. Okay, right, so you can use this for dip powder or glitter. If you want to pour glitter on your nail, like this, you pour it over your nail, and rather than doing another pour, you can just pull that top tray out and pour it again, and the second tray will catch it. So you can just keep pouring and pouring. Brilliant. Such a handy little gadget. I'd love to know who first ever invented that and shake their hand, because it is a really good little invention, isn't it? Right, everything else now apart from this is gels and stuff. What have we got? Oh wow, it's a fidget spinner nail. No, it's not a fidget spinner nail, it's a ring. It's a bit big for me, but it is resizable. Look. So it's like an anxiety ring. You can sit and play with it, can't you? Like this. Oh, that's very nice. And it's got little reindeer antlers. Oh, I love that. I do like that. Oh, so cute. That's very cute. Really nice quality as well. Really nice quality. Teeny tiny little rhinestone there. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. So yeah, we have got a couple of stamping gels. These are no wipe, so these are glossy stamping gels. So these cure with no tacky layer. That's cool. They've come with the stamping plates, haven't they? We have got Very Perry. We've got Magic Potion. This is one of those Interstellar cat eyes. These are beautiful. And then we've got a couple of their solid paints. So let me get cleared off here and we'll give these a quick swatch. Right guys, so I'm going to start with the solid gels. So we have got 101 Twinkle Star. I feel like I've got that. Maybe not. So let's leave that open. Then we have got Colourful Champagne number 95. I love these pots. They're so easy to open. Oh, we've got loads of sparkly ones today. They're all sparkly. Glitter Red number 98. Ooh, look at this. Like red with a little bit of silver in there maybe. Then we've got Glitter Green number 99. Proper Christmas red and proper Christmas green those, aren't they? So I'm just going to stick some music on while I fly through these guys. Oh, I won't be swatching this one because I've already got it. I'll show you that in a minute when I show you the rest of them. So that's the 4 solid pots swatched. I didn't swatch the red because I did already have that from, I think, last year's Christmas box, actually. That green is beautiful. With 1 coat, it's a little bit of a jelly, but with 2 coats, it's completely full coverage. Beautiful, isn't it? And then these 2, this one you could probably put over any colour. It's like a really, really pale champagne kind of shimmer, but it's got a clear base to it. And then this is just like a really holographic sparkly gold. Perfect for a December box. Super sparkly colours. I love this green. It's a really, really nice green, isn't it? That red has got tiny little flecks of silver going through it as well. Beautiful. They just scream Christmas, don't they? So that's them 4. I think next we will do the gel polish. Very Perry. What do we reckon, guys? Bluey purple. I do like Varnail bottles. They're always very nice. Oh wow. Oh, it's that perfect periwinkle colour, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful colour. These gels are just a dream to use as well. These are brilliant for nail art as well because they're just so creamy and pigmented. Look at this. Love it. What is this? So I've got the orange and the green out of this set. I used the green on a Halloween design. Oh wow, look at this. Right, I'm going to do this over a black. Right, let's have a look at this. Oh wow. This has got rainbow colours going through it and everything. So it looks like a purple on the nail. I mean, that's beautiful just on its own without the cat eye effect, isn't it? It's almost a chameleon-y kind of gel. Let's see what we got. Oh wow. So vibrant. Beautiful. Should we cheat I always cheat, don't I? Look at that. Oh, so cool. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I like it. Right, and lastly, we have got stamping gel paint, non-wipe. These would be fantastic just to use as regular gel paints as well. If you want to paint on a matte nail, these are going to be brilliant. So they advise that you just put a little hole in the top of it like this and don't take the whole silver thing off. So I think I'm just going to do a regular swatch with these guys, just so you can see the colour, because I haven't got time to be stamping and stuff today. So this is chocolate. But yeah, these can be used as gel paints. They're so opaque. Oh wow. This just spreads forever. Tiny bit on my brush. Really nice to use for nail art. Really nice to use for nail art. Yeah, so I'm swatching these more just for my reference, so I know what I've got and what the colours look like. So this is silver. Oh wow. This is nice. I don't have a stamping gel like this. Just covers that nail so nice. That's covered that nail beautifully. Can't believe that's a stamping gel. Oh, I've got to use these. I've got to do something and create something using the stuff out of this box, because there's some beautiful stuff in this box. Anyway guys, that is it for today. So we'll have a quick recap of everything else that came in the box. Definitely got to create a look with some of the stuff in this box. I love these white stickers. I love these as well. They're very pretty. Not forgetting the ring, that is adorable. Love that. Don't forget as well guys, everything you see in these boxes is available to purchase on its own, and you can use my discount code on single items. Discount codes don't work on the boxes, but they do work on individual items. So yeah, definitely head over there. If you see something you like, go and get it and use my discount code. I don't know what Black Friday sales they might still have going on. I've no idea. But definitely go over and check them out. And I need to use the stamping gels for sure. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.